Anna was a young girl. She was 20 years old. She had long brown hair and bright blue eyes. She lived in New York City. New York was big. It had tall buildings, noisy streets, and many shops. Shops sold bags, clothes, and shoes. Anna lived with her mum in a small apartment. The apartment had one bedroom, a tiny kitchen with a noisy fridge, and a living room with an old sofa. Anna's mum was a cleaner. She cleaned offices all day. They had little money. "Anna, find a job," her mum said one night, tired from work. "Work hard. Buy things with honest money." "Yes, Mum," Anna said, but she didn't want to work. She watched TV and saw rich girls. They had fancy bags, pretty dresses, and shiny shoes. Anna wanted those things. She had no money, so she had a bad idea. She decided to trick shops. Trick means to cheat people to get things. She wanted to buy things cheap. This was wrong, like stealing. But Anna thought, shops have a lot of money. They won't care. One sunny morning, Anna went to a small shop. The shop sold hats and scarves. Red hats and blue scarves hung on racks. Anna saw a red hat with a fluffy pom-pom. The price was $20. She looked around. The shop was quiet. Only one customer was there. Anna found a tag for $2 on a small keychain. She switched the tags fast. Her heart beat quickly. At the counter, an old woman with glasses said, "Hello." She scanned the tag. $2. Anna paid with coins and took the hat. Outside, she smiled. So easy, she thought. At home, her mom asked, "How did you buy that hat?" Anna lied. "It was on sale." Her mom nodded, but looked worried. The next day, Anna felt brave. She went to a big shop that sold bags. The shop was bright with shiny floors. Shelves had red bags, black bags, and blue bags. People walked around, talking. Anna saw a red leather bag. It was soft and smooth. The tag said $2,000. Too much, Anna thought. She wanted it cheap. She checked around. No one watched. She found a tag for $200 on a small purse. She swapped the tags carefully. "Done," she whispered. She took the bag to the counter. The shop worker was Tom. He was young, with short black hair. He was new, still learning. "Good afternoon," Tom said. "Nice bag." He scanned the tag. "That's $200. Anna smiled. "Yes." She gave him $200. Tom looked at the bag. "Miss, this bag costs $2,000. The tag is wrong." Anna acted angry. "The tag says $200. You must sell it." Tom said, It's a mistake. You're trying to cheat me, Anna said loudly. I want the boss. The boss was Mr. Smith. He was tall with grey hair and glasses. What's wrong? He asked. Anna said, This man wants $2,000. The tag says 200. That's not fair. Tom said, Sir, the bag is worth more. Mr. Smith looked at the tag. It says $200. The customer is right. Sell it for $200. Tom was upset. But, sir. No, Tom, Mr. Smith said. I'm sorry, miss. Take the bag. Anna paid and took the bag. Then she said, You made a mistake. You owe me money. Mr. Smith was shocked. What? Pay me $1,800, Anna said. You got the price wrong. That's all my money, Mr. Smith said. Anna said, Fix your tags next time. Mr. Smith gave her $1,800. Anna left with the bag and money. Outside, she felt happy. The bag looked nice on her arm. The sun was warm. Anna walked down the street. A man bumped into her. Sorry, she said. No problem, he said. His name was Jack. He was tall with black hair and green eyes. He wore a neat suit. Nice bag, he said. Thank you, Anna said. Jack said, I work at a bank. I help people save money. Anna said, That's good. Let's have lunch, Jack said. I know a nice restaurant. Anna agreed. Okay, I'm hungry. The restaurant was fancy. It had white tables and flowers. They sat on a terrace with a view of tall buildings. Jack said, Order anything. They chose big red lobster and old wine. This costs a lot, Jack said. Maybe thousands. They ate and talked. Jack said, I have a deal at the bank. I need my money. He showed a black bag. It's full of cash. Anna nodded. Okay. Jack said, Can you hold my bag? I must make a call for my deal. Anna said, Sure. Jack gave her the bag and walked away. Anna waited. 10 minutes passed. 20 minutes. Jack didn't return. Anna opened the bag. It had no money, only newspapers. He tricked me, she gasped. She lost the $500 she carried. I tricked the shop, and now I'm tricked, she thought. She felt sad. At home, her mum asked, Where's your money? I lost it, Anna lied. She felt bad, but didn't stop. A week later, Anna went to a dress shop. The shop was pretty. It had pink dresses, green dresses, and blue dresses. Anna saw a blue dress with flowers. It was soft and long. The price was $1,000. Anna didn't change the tag this time. Instead, she went to the counter and lied. "I saw this dress on sale yesterday," she said. "It was $100. The shop worker was Lisa. She had red hair. "Let me check," Lisa said. She looked at the tag. "It says $1,000. Anna said, "No, it's on sale. I saw it. Sell it for $100. Lisa was unsure. "I don't know." Anna said, "It's not fair. I want the boss." The boss came. He said, "If the customer says it was on sale, sell it for $100. Anna paid $100 and got the dress. She also got $900 extra because the boss thought it was a mistake. Outside, Anna met Mike. He was kind with brown eyes. "Nice dress," he said. "Let's watch a movie." They went to a cinema. The movie was fun with loud music. After, Mike said, "My friend is outside. He needs money for a bus ticket. Can you help?" Anna gave $400. Mike went outside and didn't come back. Anna waited, but he was gone. She was tricked again. Her money was gone. Anna kept going. She went to a big shop that sold bags and clothes. She saw a nice purse. The price was $300. She switched the tag to $30. At the counter, the shop worker sold it for $30. Anna got $270 extra. She met Sarah, a woman with blonde hair. "Nice purse," Sarah said. They went to a cafe for tea and cookies. Sarah said, "I sell travel tickets. Want to buy a ticket for a beach trip? It's only $300. Anna was excited. She gave $300. Sarah said, "Wait here, I'll get the ticket." Sarah left and didn't return. The ticket was fake. Anna was tricked again. Anna's room was full. Bags on her bed, dresses in her closet. But she lost money every time she tricked a shop. Why does this happen? She thought. She knew it was because she was not honest. One busy Saturday, Anna went to a big mall. The mall was huge. It had a food court with pizza smells, a cinema with bright posters, and many shops. Anna felt brave. She changed a purse tag from $300 to $30 in a bag shop. Then she changed a jacket tag from $200 to $20 in a clothing shop. She moved fast, thinking no one saw. But Bob, a security guard, was watching. He sat in a small room with screens. On one screen, he saw Anna switch a tag. "She's tricking shops," he said. He called the police. 2 police officers in blue uniforms arrived. "Stop!" they shouted. Anna ran through the mall. People stared. "Stop! Thief!" the officers yelled. They caught her at the door. You tricked shops, one officer said. Anna's eyes had tears. I'm sorry, she whispered. At the police station, Anna sat quietly. Then she went to court. The judge was a woman with a serious face. You did wrong, the judge said. You stole from shops. Pay back all the money. Go to jail for 1 year. In jail, Anna felt alone. Days were long. She woke up early, ate bread and soup, and talked to other women. Why are you here? One asked. I tricked shops, Anna said. That's bad, the woman said. Be good now. Anna read books in jail. The books taught her about honesty and kindness. She thought, I hurt people. I won't trick anyone again. After 1 year, Anna left jail. She went home. Her mum hugged her. Be good now, her mum said. I will, Anna said. She meant it. Anna got a job at a shop. At first, she cleaned floors. She swept dust and mopped spills. She worked hard. Her boss noticed. Good job, he said. You can be a shop worker. As a shop worker, Anna said, hello, welcome to customers. She smiled. One day, a man tried to change a price tag. Anna saw him. Stop, she said. That's wrong. Leave. The man walked away, ashamed. Later, Anna became the boss of the shop. She helped customers. One day, a woman lost her bag. Anna looked under shelves and found it. Thank you, the woman said. You are kind. Anna felt proud. Anna helped outside work too. She gave money to a poor woman for food. The woman smiled. Anna gave old clothes to a charity shop. She visited a sick neighbor and brought soup. You are good, the neighbor said. Anna's heart felt warm. One day, Anna went to a school. She stood in front of children. I have a story, she said. I did bad things. I tricked shops to get things cheap. But it was wrong. I lost money to other trickers. I went to jail. Now I'm honest. I work hard. I help people. Don't trick anyone. Be good. What goes around comes around. The children clapped. Anna smiled. She felt strong. Now Anna is happy. She has a good job. She has true friends. Her mum is proud. Anna buys things with her own money. No more tricks. Just an honest, good life.